Right, hiya, how are we going? Everybody all good? Not a lot's happened since I was last on here really. Gone from a really dry time after such a wet time, and it's just stayed dry for about 2.5 months. We've had a few bits of rain in between. When the actual rain did turn up, it was maybe a bit too late. Really at the time when the crop was going to start senescing. Yeah, but all in all really the crops aren't as bad as they might be. You know, we had a storm the other night. We had a 5mm and then a 25mm. Heavy thunderstorm. We've missed all the main storms earlier on in the week that other parts of the country have had. That's the dog running through. Yeah, as I said, not a lot really to report. That's why I've not been on here. Yeah, so we're looking forward to harvest. We're on the 18th of August. Not cut anything by now, but obviously we're planting everything so late, stuff's going to be ready later. The oats are about getting there. We've had really hot weather, and then we had a storm the other night, 2 nights ago obviously, that dropped basically 30mm. Yeah, so hopefully when it dries up, stuff should be ready to go. Yeah, I've gone through all combine ready, obviously. Put some new chains on and bearings and bits and pieces, squared it all up. So hopefully we have an hassle-free harvest, but if they happen, it's very rare and always good, isn't it? But we'll have to wait and see. Jen's really looking forward to harvest. I'm not, because the crops are crap. Useless.